Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to share with you how to change theme and set up nickname on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First, I will show you how to change Messenger theme. Open your Messenger app on your mobile device. Go to Conversation. In the top right corner, click on eye icon. Here you will see themes and nickname. Click on themes. There are many themes, you can review it. And to select your favorite one, click on select. There you have it. Now your Messenger themes already changed. Now how to set up nickname. Go to Conversation. In the top right corner, click on eye icon. Here you will see nicknames. Click on it. You can set up both names, your friend and you. After that, click on set. Okay friends, I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.